Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change notification sounds theme, I guess, in Samsung Galaxy A55. So, where to look for notifications sounds and how to change them from our default ones. So, first of all, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for sounds and vibration, and notification sounds is here. So right now we have default one. We can of course lower the sound if we want to, and here we have a few options available. And that's basically it. We changed from our default one to one from our default list. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.